Recording. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rizkyari Wicaksono. My NPM is 2531247. I am from Informatics Majors E25A, and today I'm gonna presentation about number system. Introduction. What is number system? A number system is a way of representing number using symbol or digits. Each system has a different base radix that defines how many symbols it uses. Computers use number systems to store and process all types of data. The most common number systems are binary, base 2 number, octal, base 2 digits, decimal base 10 digits, and hexadecimal base 16 digits. Why number system matters? Number systems are very important in computer science because everything a computer does is based on numbers, especially binary numbers. In computer architectures, number systems are used to design processors and memory systems. In data storage, every file, image, or video you see is actually stored as a combination of zero and ones. And in programming, we use different number systems to represent data, colors, or even memory address. By understanding number system, we can be better understand how computer calculate and represent all kinds of information. Next. Type of number system. In computer science, usually use four main types of number system: binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. The binary system with base 2 use only two digits, 1 and 0 and 1. This is the language that computer understand. And the example is 1011. The octal system with base 8 use digits from 0 to 7. It sometimes used as a shorter form of binary numbers. The example of octal system is 15757 base 8. Next, the decimal system with base 10 is the one we use every day. It includes digits from 0 to 9. An example is 539 in 10 base. And finally, the hexadecimal systems with base 16 use digits from 0 to 9 and later from A to F. It's very common in programming and digital electronics. The example is 1A. Each one of these systems helps us represent and work with data in different ways, especially when dealing with computer and digital device. Next, binary system. The binary system, also known as base 2, consists of only two digits, is 0 and 1. Every piece in information that computer process, whether it's text, image, or sound, is represented in binary form. That's because computer work using electronic signals, which can be either on or off, just like the digits 1 and 0. For example, let's take the binary number 1011. We can convert it to decimal by multiplying each bit with powers of 2. So 1011 base 2 equals 11 in decimal. This means the binary number 1011 represents the decimal number 11. Binary numbers are the foundation of computer system. They form the language that computer truly understand. Next, the octal system, also known as base 8. The octal system uses digits from 0 to 7. It's actually a shorter way to represent binary numbers because every three digits can be written as one octal digit. For example, the octal number 57 base 8 can be converted into decimal as 47 base 10. So 57 in octal system equals 47 in decimal system. Octal numbers were often used in older computer systems to simplify long binary codes, especially before hexadecimal became more common. Okay, next. Decimal system or base 10. This is the number system we use in our daily life. It has digits from 0 to 9 and its position represent a power of 10. For example, the number 519 the 539 base 10 can be broken down as 5 times 100 plus 3 plus 3 times 10 plus 9 plus 9 times 1. That equals 539. That's why we call it the base 10 system. Every position is 10 times larger than the one to its right. We humans use this system naturally because we have 10 fingers, which is why counting with base 10 feels familiar and easy. Next, lastly, hexadecimal numbers or system. Base 16. This system uses digits from 0 to 9 and letters A to F, where A represents 10, B is 11, and so on up to F, which represents 15. Hexadecimal numbers are widely used in programming and computer memory because they can represent long binary numbers in a compact way. For example, one 1A base 16 can converted to decimal as 26 base 10. You can also find hexadecimal values in web colors. For example, FF000 represents the color red, 00FF00 is green, and 000FF is blue. So, hexadecimal is very special system in computing and design. How to convert numbers between different number systems? First, to convert from binary to decimal, we multiply each bit by power of 2, starting from the right. For example, the binary number 1101. That equals 13 in decimal. Next, to convert from decimal to binary, we divided the number by 2 and record the remainders. For example, 13 divided by 2 equals 6. Remainder 1. Then 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Remainder 1, 0. 3 divided by 2 equals 1. Remainder 1. And finally, 1 divided by 2 equals 0. Remainder 1. If we read the reminders from the bottom to the top, we get 1101, the same as our original binary number. And lastly, the hexadecimal number. We group every four binary digits into one group. Each group represents one hexadecimal digit. So 1101 in binary becomes just one group. 1101, which equals D in hexadecimal. In short, 1101 base 2 equals 13 in decimal, equals D in hexadecimal. This process is how computer and programmers translate numbers between different representations. Real life application. So binary used in computer, electronics, and logic gates. Octal used in Unix file permission. Decimal used in human calculation and money system. And lastly, hexadecimal used in web colors and memory address. In summary, number system represent and process data in computer. For Four main systems: binary, octal, decimal, and hexadecimal. And by understanding conversation helps in programming and networking. Thank you for all the audience that watching this video. Maybe that's all from me. See you in the next representation video.